In this preview, we share only two parts. Conclusion part 1 and transit effect of Sun. First we share with you transit effect of the Sun for the whole month plus conclusion part 1 out of the 10 parts of the whole premium content for the monthly horoscope report. The 10 parts are like that: transit effect of Sun for the month of coming month, transit effect of the Mercury, transit effect of Mars, transit effect of Venus. Transit effect of Sun defined you how the decision maker will behave with you, how the land of the law will treat you, and how anybody who have a wealth, power and authority, their attitude toward you, and also your reactions toward them. Transit of Mercury's impact on you for the whole month is your flow of income, your flow of career, flow of job, profession, career, flow of information through communication, what you're going to learn through communication, and your flow of progression. Transit effect of Mars will create an impact on your family life, your friendship, your relationship, your courage, your confidence, your action and reaction in any tricky situation. Transit of Venus defined you. First, your love life, your romantic life, your relationship, anything to do with romance or relationship. Transit of Venus also defined you, your success rate if you're going for an interview or presentation or exam or test. Your name and fame and establishment, your recognition and appreciation, that is transit of Venus will define you. Conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, conclusion part 3. There are 9 parts in each part have 3 parts. So in the whole month we divided into 9 parts. Define each part, give you its own pleasantness, positive side, negative sides. That is happening because for us the whole month we divide into 9 parts and we put the whole microscope in the whole month, and each and every section will give you its own taste. Sometimes is bitter, sometimes is very sweet, sometimes is mediocre. Things can happen. Astrological task. What you need to do if you're trapped in any ugly situation or trapped in any unpleasant situation in the month. How you can maneuver the astrological equation with the help of task. You can do that if you want to. Precautions, what you shouldn't do. What discipline you should acquire. Chanting is sacred words, spiritual words. You can create a vibration with the help of those chantings, sacred chanting. That will help you spiritually. You can overcome any situation, you can get a boost, and that is, you can exercise the whole chanting whole month. You can accomplish your success, but only with the help of focus, concentration and passion. These are all contents of premium content. If you want the premium content, you can buy directly from my website, prakashastrologer.com. The whole premium content you can, because all my weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope reports are applied horoscope report. They're not like it says predictions given to you. Yes, but there are task, precaution, chanting. You can change and maneuver the whole astrological equation with the help of task, precaution, chanting, but only depend on your will and discipline. Yes. Taurus transit of Sun in 8th house, 16 December till 14 January. Sun's transit in 8th house. May I say that you have to be extra careful. Avoid any unnecessary expenses and avoid making important decision choices about anything, life, finances, family, everything. Support from your community, family member, even the partner may seem absent to you. There could be a change in your work you do. Possibility forcing you to let you go your current position. Or there could be a lot of traveling, which may turn out stressful. Consciously avoid getting involved in any kind of arguments, conflict with your enemies or someone, anything else. It is likely to be totally fruitless. You have to take care of your health. You may develop physical health issues like stomach disorders, blood pressure, piles, causing you discomfort. You may develop needless fear, especially fear of death or loss of honor. meaningless anxiety, restless mind in this phase of time. It is wise to avoid activity that involve in any kind of a risk with your life and that of your family. A relative issue may come up unexpectedly, causing you to some worries. Sun's transit in 8th house. You may feel influence of this transit on a number of different levels. One sign of this need that you may notice now, it is sense of strong psychological compulsion surfacing, perhaps leading to behavior that you do not understand. Sun transit in 8th house, other facet. At their most powerful, these compulsions can force considerable changes to yourself, which are most disturbing if you do not try to get in touch with them. Sun transit in 8th house, the other facet. One of very real possibility at this time is a encounter with someone who will produce the need for very searching psychological self-inquiry or will force very powerful changes in yourself. This person may challenge your value structure or there may be powerful intermeshing of your personalities. One of the material, this transit can be a time of great concern about the finances or resources held jointly or with another person, such as spouse or business partner. By itself, there is neither a good or nor a bad indication. It is simply make the issue important. You may also be worried about trying to borrow some money to get financial backing from the bank. Taurus, monthly conclusion, month of December 2021. Conclusion part 1 for Taurus. During this phase of time, you will do extremely well in your business, job, expansion of business, promotion in your status is likely to take place in this particular period. You will enjoy love and respect from your partner for superior and higher authorities. There might also be frequent traveling regarding work, job, career, profession. Even the income flow will be quite good. You will spend money on home affairs, on yourself. Family life will be quite happy. Your enemies might try to harm your reputation, but they will not be able to achieve any success. Taurus, you will be extremely happy during this phase of time. Your efforts will start giving you good results. You will enjoy a good relationship with your parents, seniors, government officials. Long distance travel shall be rewarding. Your friends and associates will help you in your daily chores. And your mind will bend towards spiritualism or the higher philosophy of life. There are chances of your entering into new business or might change a job. Your opponents will not be able to do any harm to you and you will be fine. Minor health issues are quite possible. During this phase of time, you will be quite busy, quite happy. Service condition will improve. Substantial gain also possible. Family atmosphere will be quite happy. You will be making strenuous effort to surmount your obstruction and crush your opponents. You must remain careful while driving. Taurus, due to Rahu's position in Lagna, watch your attitude, watch your arrogance, watch your behavior, watch your conduct. Sun, Mercury, Ketu in 7th house, look after your relationship. Be aware of any kind of fluctuations in your joint venture or marriage relationship. Mars moves position in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies. Look after your health regarding lower abdomen and feet and legs, anything into bladder or urine. Venus transit effect, Venus position in 8th house. Look after your marriage relationship. Look after your love life. Keep a close eye on your partner's health and well-being and harmony, happiness. Saturn position in 9th house. Elder's blessing will be a huge blessing. Jupiter transit effect due to Jupiter's position in 10th house. Make sure you must look after your professional stand, professional decision choices. May I say that in this coming month, you must be aware of ego and aggression in your mannerism or communication or word of speech. You got to be very careful. And may I say that in this coming month, you might need a complete monthly horoscope report from our website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month, that define your transit effect of Sun, Mars, Mercury and Venus and their effects. Extensive monthly horoscope report to find you what astrological tasks you need to do. For example, if you're trapped in any situation, What precautions you must implement to save your skin? What sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 1 month to achieve your supremacy? For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.